welcome to Nothing Pretty Break Tutorials. This short video series, we're going to cover the most basic footwork, step outs, kick outs, bicycles, and shuffles. This one is gonna be on kick outs. Okay, so once again, stand up, find a center point, and boom, kick out, boom, kick out. Okay, go back to center. Try doing it standing, land on your heel so you understand when you're on the ground how much pressure you're putting on your heel. Once you've settled with that, start playing with 1 foot, 2 feet, start playing with the angles, the distance, the height, also the power of your kick, and whatever feels and looks cool. Okay, coming into the same squat as step outs. I didn't cover this in the video, but you really want to squeeze your legs together and you'll feel a lot more self-control. Okay, moving on. You don't have to hold your leg like this, but if you want to use one leg, you can jump out one leg. It's kind of like a style points thing. Remember to save energy, keep your shoulder over your hand. Try different angles on that same arm as well. Okay, for fun, I'm practicing sign language, so don't mind this. First thing, boom, keep your legs together. Second thing, you can spread your legs apart. Those are the two basic kick out styles. Piece of advice, when using only one leg, squeeze the knee joint. That's going to really help your control. And when you start dancing, you want to start playing around with your options. And just remember to have fun. Change your levels. And yeah, that's it. Next video.